Hello, I'm Hope from Embroidery, and today I'll be showing you how to stitch these beginner-friendly detached chain stitch embroidered flowers. Here's what they look like when you're done. I'll include a link to the accompanying blog post where I provide step-by-step instructions for this technique in the description of this video, along with other helpful links. Start by bringing your needle up through the center of your flower shape and back down through that same hole, leaving a loop. Bring your needle back up through your fabric at the top of your petal shape and through the inside of your loop. Pull your floss and then secure your stitch by bringing your needle back down just over your loop. To stitch your other petals, continue creating detached chain stitches, always starting them by coming up through the center of your flower shape. And I've sped up the video here to help get us to the next step more quickly. Next, bring your needle up through the center of your flower shape with whatever color of floss you'd like to use for the final step. I'll be stitching a 2-wrap French knot in the center of this flower. You can use however many wraps you like. And if you need a more thorough French knot tutorial, I've left a link for one in the description of this video. And that's it. I hope this was helpful.